can take this anymore.
Roll your finger off the trigger.
I've been to places that I'm not proud of. Hold fast your fingers on the trigger, pull the sweat out of your